हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल साइबर हीरो। मैं आप लोगों का दिल से स्वागत करता हूं। उम्मीद है कि आप सब लोग बाखैरियत होंगे। शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। पहले मैं कुछ बताना चाहता हूं तुम लोगों को। अगर तुम लोगों ने प्रीवियस वीडियोस नहीं देखी है, गो एंड चेक देम आउट, बिकॉज तभी तो समझ आएगा यहाँ क्या सीन है, क्या हो रहा है। ठीक है, तो हम आज चैप्टर 3 देख रहे हैं, जॉब कंट्रोल। कल की वीडियो में शायद आप लोगों ने मुझे यूज़ करते हुए देखा होगा, समझ नहीं होंगे उधर अच्छे से। आखिरकार ये जॉब और प्रोसेस का क्या सीन है, क्या सिस्टम है, पूरा इस वीडियो में देख लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं। तो शुरू करते हैं अपना वीडियो। जॉब कंट्रोल क्या चीज़ है? जॉब कंट्रोल allows user to manage multiple processes, start from the shell, moving them between foreground, background. So what does the job control mean? Job control in Linux, let us know, runs multiple processes that are called also jobs from the same terminal. Remember, from the same terminal. We can move jobs between foreground and background. We can suspend them, we can resume them, and we can manage them interactively. This is useful when we start a long-range task but still want to see some shell for other command. So maybe you know that what does the foreground or background jobs mean? What does the terms mean? That let me tell you one thing about these foreground and background jobs. Foreground jobs runs in the shell and takes control of input output. You can't see the terminal until it finishes, unless it suspends. Are you get me point? क्या सीन है, हिंदी में बताता हूँ फोरग्राउंड का क्या सीन। कोई प्रोसेस मैंने एग्जीक्यूट की, फॉर एग्जांपल एपीटी अपडेट या एपीटी अपग्रेड, जब तक वो पूरा कंप्लीट होगा तब तक मैं उस टर्मिनल को यूज ही नहीं कर सकता। अब अगर वही मुझे बैकग्राउंड में चलाना है तो मैं उसी कमांड को बैकग्राउंड में यूज़ करूँगा, और अपना शेल जो है, द टर्मिनल आई कैन यूज़ फॉर अदर कमांड्स, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फॉर बैकग्राउंड एंड फॉरवर्ड। ये बहुत काम में आने वाली है। इस पर हम अभी प्रैक्टिकल सेशन करेंगे, वहाँ पे मैं अच्छे से तुम लोगों को सिखाऊंगा। सो तो क्यों रुके हैं हम, तो प्रैक्टिकल सेशन पे जाते हैं। सो लेट्स गो फॉर प्रैक्टिकल सेशन। हियर फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू, sleep command is used to for sleep. I explain that. For example, I write here sleep 5. So I can't use this command for 5 seconds. I can't use this terminal for 5 seconds. Are you getting this? Again, I will show you sleep 6. I can't use this terminal for 6 seconds. If I have to execute another command, I have to wait for 6. So how this will help me for job control? Let me tell you. I will read as sleep 10. But what I will do, I will use this operator, operator sign, whatever you say. Then I will look how it feels. If I have to check what is going on background, one is running sleep 10. You are getting it. Now it is done. Also, it's also you understand this. If you don't understand, I will clear you with some more examples so you can get this. If I have to bring that job to foreground, how to do that? Again, I go for this sleep 10 again. Now I will go for the job I should write. One is running. What I will do? Actually, oh sorry, I am too slow man. I will write 30. So if I have to check jobs, this is the job number, job ID running, and this is the process. Don't get confused about this. Now if I had to bring that in formal, I will write here percentage. Now it's living under. Now this process coming in forward. Look, it will wait after that. How much time it needs. Control C for suspension. Control Z is for used for suspension. Control Z, whatever, Control Z, Control Z for suspension. Control C for termination. If I tell you, if I will write here PPT update. Now it's updating. I will write here Control C. It will suspend the run. Terminate the process. Again I will write. Now it is suspended. That is termination, that is suspension. So it is clear. You can see. If I will go for jobs, this one is suspended, this one is also suspended. If I had to bring them back, then I have to use that percentage. I will show you how. What is it? APT. Again, I forgot. RG percentage. Which one? Second one, APT update. I want to continue it. It will continue from that on. Control Z, I will again suspend it. Are you getting me? So that is the same with this foreground, background, and suspension, termination. Once you terminate the process, it can't be back. Terminate means खलास खत्म. So ये सीन है इन तीनों का. तो अभी तक आपने देख लिया हम बैकग्राउंड में कैसे एक प्रोसेस को भेजते हैं, वहां से वापस कैसे लाते हैं, मुर्दे को जिंदा करते हैं. वो मुर्दा नहीं होता है, कुछ देर के लिए उसकी सांसें अटक जाती है, ऐसा समझ. ये वही सीन, ठीक है ना. अब मुझे किल ही करना है. अब ये क्या चीज, अब मुझे किल ही करना है. किल कैसे करें? किल करने का सिंपल सा तरीका. कौन से वाली किल करनी? पहला वाला जो सस्पेंशन में रखा हूँ, सस्पेंड ले भाई, टर्मिनेटेड, सिलेक्ट, किल हो गई. चेक करना हो तो जॉब्स को फिर से आई राइट हियर जॉब्स. नाउ यू कैन सी हाउ टू टर्मिनेट यूजिंग किल. What is this percentage one? Percentage is the basic syntax and one is for job ID. Got this? I hope it is clear. You can also now let's, if I have to kill this one, terminate this one, suspend APT update. But I can also use its process ID. But why I was using like this. Kill percentage. This I am using job ID. If I had to using process ID, then I will simply go for kill and PID. I don't know right now what is the PID. You can check it by jobs. I think jobs there. You can see this is the process ID. Now let's kill it by ID. Kill 791. Terminated. Khalas. If I had to check what are the jobs in background to suspend APT update. If I have killed it, why didn't it go? How? Kill percentage. Oh. Terminated. Why didn't go by using PID? I don't know. If you know, then comment. Here you see some other example, maybe some issue. Don't get confused. If you are, there are a lot of ways. If one way is working for you, that is another way is not working. Don't take too much stress. Take it easy. I hope it's clear now. So what we studied here, jobs we studied. What does it will do? What will it? It shows the jobs. Which what jobs are under suspension, what jobs are under execution. It shows that list. If you have to check with PID, process ID also, then you can use jobs -L. Another say we saw that AND operator, AND sign. What is it used for? To run a command in background. To run a command, I will make an example to make it very much clear. I hope you all are aware with this command. What I wrote here, sleep 10, then I want to sleep the system, sorry, sleep this terminal for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, I want to see the ls, listing files and directories. But what I am using here, this AND operator, what will it do? It will make it in background. Something is in background, how to check that? Jobs L or jobs on. So this one is running in background, sleep 10, and you can see after 10 seconds I got this. I didn't do anything. How it came to me? After 10 seconds of execution, it comes. So if I have to make a process in background running, Then you can go for that. For example, apt update and first simple apt update. I want in background. Is there running here? Control Z, let me sync it. Whatever, man. Hey, God, this one. It's running in also. Hey, bye. क्या सिस्टम है? हे भाई, ये क्या सिस्टम? तो सिस्टम कैसे लगा? हे भाई, बस हो गया. हाँ, डन. ऐसा सीन होता है, इन चीज़ों पे ध्यान नहीं देना होगा, स्ट्रेस फ्री रहेंगे. ठीक है, तो हमने देख लिया एंड कमांड, we saw the jobs, clear. We saw the how to make a job in foreground. Then how foreground using percentage job ID. Then we saw the background scene, how to send a process in background percentage. And what will it do? It will resume the process which is in background. Then we saw the control Z, we saw the control C also, we saw the kill command also, the PS command. Yesterday we saw that PS command here. Yesterday we saw this one. PS command, there is a full tutorial on that. You can check out the previous session. You can get the PS command. I don't repeat here. So let's talk about the difference between these jobs and PS command. Difference between this jobs command and PS command. This is the thing you should know about it, because maybe sometimes someone will ask you, or for your knowledge purpose, you should know about that. Jobs will only show. What will do this? Jobs will only show the jobs started in the shell and session. It will not show all the processes which are running in background, foreground. It will only show the processes, only shows the jobs. I should use the word jobs which are started in the shell, on this particular shell. I hope it makes sense for you. It makes you clear. It will show the jobs which are under this session, under this terminal, on this terminal only. PS, what will it do? It will show all system process. I hope make it clear. There is no job pending here, but PS, it will show me all the process. So this was all about this video. Hope you liked the video. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. Share with your friends as much as possible. Thank you. I will see you in next video. तब तक के लिए take care. Bye bye. See you.